In this video of Event Tech Explained, we're going to talk about social walls. An event social wall is an engagement tool that allows you to collect content posted by attendees and speakers from either your event app or social media using your event's hashtag and then display it on a screen. If you use EventDrive to build your custom event app, your participants can upload and take photos directly in the app using the InstaPhoto feature. You can also use their questions and comments posted in the app as part of the content displayed in real time on your branded social wall. We recommend you use a social wall on the main screen both during and in between your plenary sessions. You can also use it on smaller screens in the common areas. They not only help to create a sense of community by encouraging interaction amongst attendees, speakers, and sponsors, but social walls also help liven up your event decor. If you're interested in learning more about event apps, check out our video where we explain all about them. It's in the Event Tech Explained YouTube playlist. Don't forget to subscribe.